वो मंजर से भाग गई।
She fled from the sight. She fled from the sight.
सवाल का जवाब किसी को मालूम नहीं था।
Nobody knew the answer to the question. Nobody knew the answer to the question.
मोहल्ले वालों ने बेचैनी से देखा।
The neighbors watched with anxiety. The neighbors watched with anxiety.
वो शुक्र अदा करते हुए ऑपरेशन से बाहर आई।
She came out of the operation feeling thankful. She came out of the operation feeling thankful.
इन चारों तलबा ने एक क्लास को दोहराया।
These 4 students repeated a class. These 4 students repeated a class.
वो जानती थी कि अजनबी इसके घर में दाखिल होने की कोशिश कर रहा है।
She knew the stranger was trying to gain entry into her home. She knew the stranger was trying to gain entry into her home.
ट्रक रास्ते में खड़ा था।
The truck stood in the way. The truck stood in the way.
मेरा कुत्ता बिस्तर पर बैठ गया।
My dog settled on the bed. My dog settled on the bed.
वो इस केस में जाने वाली थी।
She was about to venture into the case. She was about to venture into the case.
मुझे फिल्मों में किताबें पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है।
I enjoy reading books to movies. I enjoy reading books to movies.